Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Smorgasbord Kitchen. Today we'll be making churro ice cream. We'll need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, a half of a cup of milk, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Once we whisk this together, we'll cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for several hours until cold. To make the churros, we'll melt 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a pot over low heat. Mix in 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of water, a half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We'll then slowly mix in 1 cup of flour until it forms a dough. We'll transfer this into a bowl and either with a mixer or by hand mix in 1 egg. To form churros, I prefer using a spritz cookie press. One more thing we'll need for the churros is the cinnamon sugar mixture. For that, we'll combine a half cup of sugar with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now that we're ready to fry the churros, we'll heat up several inches of oil in a small pot. Frying can be dangerous, so please be careful. There are links to frying safety info down in the description. Once our oil is heated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll use the spritz cookie press to extrude the churros into the oil. They'll need to fry for a few minutes on each side until golden. Once fried, we'll carefully remove them with a strainer or a fork and coat them with cinnamon sugar. Once the churros have cooled down, cut about half of them into bite-sized pieces to add to the ice cream. The other half could be used to top the ice cream, or more realistically, just a snack on. We'll freeze our ice cream according to the ice cream maker directions. And once it's done, we'll scoop it into a container and swirl in the churro bits along with some additional cinnamon. We'll toss that into the freezer for a while to firm up before enjoying. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give the video a like, leave a comment down below, share, and subscribe. Thanks, and see you next time.